If we could have your attention for just a moment, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-800. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle where it tight and low, cross your hips, and at all times while seated. 8 emergency exits, 2 forward, 4 over wing, 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor lead to exit. There's a safety information card in your seat back pocket. It explains in the event of a water evacuation, you're going to use that life vest located under your seat. Remove the vest, open the pouch, place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in front, pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. We're going to come by and check that your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs, tray tables are in their full upright and locked position. All your carry-ons are stowed under the seat in front of you. Smoking is never allowed on board, including the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. This applies to e-cigarettes as well. If needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, place your mask on first. That's it for the do's and don'ts. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our very short 1-hour flight together into Phoenix. We've been cleared for departure. Enjoy your flight.